Want to turn on two-factor authentication on Roblox? Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your Roblox account by requiring a verification code when you sign in from a new device. In this guide, I'll show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Roblox step by step in 2026. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app or visit the official Roblox website and sign in using your username or verified email address and password. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to update your security settings. Next, click the Settings icon and select Settings from the menu. Then open the Security section, where you'll find options to help protect your account. Locate the two-factor authentication option and turn it on. Roblox may offer one or more verification methods, such as email verification or an authenticator app, depending on your account and the platform. Choose the method you prefer and follow the on-screen instructions. If prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email or generated by your authenticator app. Once the code is verified, two-factor authentication will be activated for your account. Finally, sign out and sign back in to confirm that the extra verification step is working correctly. Keeping your email account secure is just as important because it helps protect your Roblox account as well. And that's how to turn on two-factor authentication on Roblox. With this extra layer of protection enabled, your account will be better protected against unauthorized access. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.